This video is brought to you by Moomoo. If you want 7 free stocks valued up to $14,000, you can do so by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment section to sign up. It's an online brokerage, no payment for order flow, none of that BS. Links are below. What is going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be bringing you guys the update on my recent swing. Envb, this stock is 20% shorted on an absolute micro tiny float. There was a bit of a short ladder attack at open, so I will be explaining that to you guys, showing you guys the chart, showing you guys exactly what these shorts are doing, and because of that, because we know exactly what they're doing, they won't be able to fool us. So this will be an educational video. I've been slapping the ask all day, all morning. Very, very bullish on this one. High conviction play. And let's just jump right into it. Drop a like on the video if you guys enjoyed. If you guys wanted to check out the Discord, links are below in the description. So let's jump right into it here. You guys can see we've got on balance volume. We've got volume weighted average price, which is the VWAP indicator. And we can take a look at exactly what has been going on. So as y'all can see, it's been a lot of buying. There was a lot of shorting on this little on balance decline at open. However, it corrected itself as well. So let's just try to figure out what these shorties are doing. All right, so there's clearly buying pressure, right? On balance volume spiked up on 3 separate occasions since 4 a.m. So and yeah, that was literally at 8 a.m. it spiked up the first time. We got another spike up here at 9:30 a.m. Then we got another spike up at around 10:42 and then 10:46. So what happens here is that short ladder attack. It sounds so stupid, but we're going to explain it here. What they do is they'll short it at open. So obviously a bunch of buy orders came in at open. They didn't want that momentum to continue, so they short it. They push it under VWAP. You see these little tiny red candles, right? Just chipping away at the on balance volume, right? The on balance volume coming down, just getting chipped away at. There's a little bit of buying. It gets chipped away at, all right? Gets absolutely chipped away at. They reverse it down to what it was at market open in terms of on balance volume. But what happened was, instead of people selling, people were buying more, right? People were buying more. So short sellers realize, okay, well, they're buying more. We can't just do this. On balance volume spikes up with some dark pool volume right there. So that's another thing. Route your orders directly to the NASDAQ exchange. If it goes through TRF, it's going to be used to manipulate the price. You want to see a nice fat NASDAQ. You can see that right there in the time and sales in the bottom right hand corner. So what else do they do here? They short the thing at the VWAP, because the volume weighted average price for penny stocks, for low cap stocks, is used as a very good indicator, since a lot of indicators don't work when there's not enough volume in the stock, right? If you're using RSI, MACD, they don't look as good, right, when you're using something with such a low float. Like, we'll just pull up the MACD right here. You can see how choppy it is. It's really hard to use on something that's such a low float. So a lot of day traders will opt to use the VWAP as like their only real indicator here. So short sellers know this. So every time the stock hits the VWAP, which is that yellow line, they short more. They're trying to force it into a downtrend. But clearly buy volume is up today. If we look at this order flow right here, the inflows are 425,000 and the outflows are 278,000. So the fact, and yesterday it was also very green order flow as well. I mean, more inflows than outflows. Again, same exact thing here. So it's clear what's going on here. There's clearly buying. They're clearly pushing down the price. If we go to the short share availability, as of 19 hours ago, they had 0. As of 1 day ago, they had 0 again. So they're itching to find some more shares, right? They're just calling up their buddies, calling up other hedgies. They're saying, hey, can we borrow these shares? Blah, blah, blah. They found 15,000 more as of this morning. Right before market open, they already pushed it down. This was around 9 a.m. They already pushed it down to about 10,000 shares. We don't know what's happened since then, because this was all back here, right? This was already, they already used about 10,000 back here before the price even started dropping. So just imagine how many they have used at this point, now that there's been all of this intraday shorting here on ENVB with all of this buying, right? There's been shorting to hold it down, manipulation to hold it down, but there's proof, looking at on balance volume, looking at order flow, that people are in fact buying. And we also saw the largest large scale order that we have seen yet on this stock. So that's all good. Obviously 17% short interest change. We don't really know what exactly that's going to be until the next update. We obviously got that settlement date from July 29th. That was the last one. That was reported at 1762. There was an increase in security lending volume as of yesterday. And if we just go back to that hourly chart, you all can see, get rid of OBV right there. You can see that there has been elevated volume on the past 2 days. I mean, this is just ready to kick right back up. Obviously, it's at an all-time low right now. If we zoom out on that daily chart, all-time low, just had its reverse split. We're getting buy signals here on Webull as well, and it's just looking solid. That's all I gotta say. Everything is still in line. Let's move up this daily chart right here. I want to see, we did get the green means go on the daily chart, as you guys can see right there. Yesterday we did not quite get it. Today we did get it, so I believe that should be some bullish divergence. If we can actually zoom in, not really, but that's still a good buy signal. We already got earnings out of the way. This is where I think momentum can flip. Seriously, guys, we got the 4-hour buy signal this morning. Everything is still in line here. 50% dark pool volume. I'm just trying to go over everything that we can do right here. Failure to delivers as of July 29th. Again, guys, there was 1.4 million. That exceeds the free float. On July 15th, the free float was only 1 million shares. Please tell me how you failed to deliver more shares than the free float of the company, because eventually you're going to have to deliver them, right? Then where are you going to get those shares from if you've literally failed to deliver more than exists? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, and apparently they drew it down to 7,000. That's some complete bullshit. Envb, baby. No better setup in the market right now. Obviously, I'm a little biased. Yes, there are stocks with more short interest. Obviously, we see ones with 50% short interest. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because I'll be talking about a stock that has 65 short interest that has not yet run. And Wall Street Bets could talk about it. So we'll be making a video on that stock later. I think you guys will be excited for that. If you guys are in on ENVB, I want to see how many shares you guys have. We are coming up with a share count on Excel right now, so leave a comment down below. I'll add you guys to the spreadsheet if you want to be part of the share count for ENVB. That's all I got, my friends. It was a short update today. I'll see you guys next time.